Now the next one is the normalization. This is very important part of the database creation and development. Now first of all, you are seeing that first NF, first normal form, then second NF is known as second normal form, the third NF, that means the third normal form. Now we will take a look of each one by one. Now see the first NF, first normal form. Now what does it do? Basically it validates the table. For the valid table, separate the repeating groups, that means which I have just explained you. Let's suppose if you want to add a correction or want to add something new to the concerned record, so the new record you have to add for updating the record, so that creates the anomalies. To remove anomalies, we should have a valid table and separate repeating groups. That means only one group can repeat. Let's suppose if you want to repeat the qualifications, so qualification will be added. As you can see, the pet ID. So pet ID, let's suppose how many times the pet will come to examine. So definitely it becomes a patient. So patient ID can be repeating, but the patient record only one ID with the repeating ID. That means the repeating table that will hold the information about repeating values. Now cannot be further decomposed. It cannot be further decomposed. That means further elaborate. That means it can be gone in further low level. That means let's suppose if there are fields which can be divided up to some extent, let's suppose you have 16 or 20 fields, you have divided one table in, let's suppose 8 fields, second table in 4 fields, and the third table in 4 fields. That's so you have to decide with the vision of that. You have to keep the foreign key and primary key in both tables, and you will be connecting each relationship with the master table. Unique key, yes, primary key is the unique key. It is underlined. You will always see that it is underlined. It has been identified for each row. Then on the 4 level, that you can see that all the attributes are functionally dependent on all or part of the key. So you can see the tables. I am going to explain it now. Now you can see that we have order table and we have order details table. Now you can see the order number is underlined with the key. Here you can see the picture of the key. Now, and you can see the order detail which with the 2 keys. One is the order number and one is the product number. So product number is the primary key of this table, and the order number, which is the linking key and the repeating value of the order key, which is stored in order details. Now, so when I connect this field, so this becomes a one too many records. If I want to connect this order detail product number with the delivery, let's suppose, so you will connect this with the delivery. So product number, how many product numbers have been ordered, so this can become the delivery table. So how many deliveries you have made, for which address, for which product number, so that can be done separately. So this is the first NF. Now coming on to second NF. Now a table is in a second normal form 2NF when all non-key attributes means which are not the primary key or not the foreign key, are fully functionally dependent on the entire key. Entire key means, let's suppose one table key, primary key is called, and they are all linking together, and you have called separately with the SQL query. So this makes the table retrieve data from all tables connected each other. Now you can see order table, then you can see order details, and you can see the product. Now you can see that there are different fields available. Order number, you can see the orders reference you can find easily in order details. Now you can see this order number is connected with order number. Now this is one, this is many, right? Because orders can be placed many orders. And you can see, find the product number. Is there any product number? Yes, this is the primary key. This is 1 to 1 only one product, right? So this becomes the order key. So order detail and product. Now third NF, so you can see that you need to ensure that no non-key, that means attribute depends on another non-key attribute. The first name, last name, passport number, address, region, postcode and country attributes all depend on a customer number attribute. Is there any customer number? Yes. Customer number is there, order, customer number, order. Yes, this is the customer number. Yes, this is the customer number. So you can see that customer order number, where is the order number? Not in this table. Order number, yes, this is here. So this is the primary for this, and this becomes the order. And now customer number is here. Now you can see customer is here. So customer number, and you can see that the third form you have finally solved the problem in third form, not on the order number. You can see that attribute. Now I'm again reading this. You need to ensure that no non-key attribute depends on another non-key attribute. The first name, the last name, passport number, address, region, postcode, and country attributes all depend on the customer number. They all depend on customer number, right? If the customer number is there, that means all the information contained in different tables. Let's suppose customer, order, details, and product. So if you type in customer number, all the linked information will be populated in a way you want it. Then not on the order number. They are not based on order number. That means if you type in order number, nothing will populate the data. No order number is set to bring all the information. Now you are ensuring that an entity holds only the information related to it. You can see that you are ensuring that an entity holds only the information related to it, only the thing which you are requiring that will be populated. Otherwise it won't retrieve, it won't send the data to the display unit. This table finally be in third NF. You can see this is the third NF, one primary key, second primary key, third, fourth, fifth. Then you can see these are four keys, but one has one-to-one relationship and one has one-to-many relationships. So this becomes, when you combine that relationship and when you test it, this will produce the result according to first NF, second NF, and third NF. And hence the third NF is the stage where your all requirement, all decomposition of the tables are almost done, or you can say the 90% work is done till third NF. So I hope you will like this. Thanks for watching.